Alright, welcome back guys to my stock portfolio. This is gonna be episode 2. I'm sorry I haven't released a video recently. It's because I've been mainly sick these last like 2 weeks, which kind of sucks. It was a bummer. I was dying through that, but anyways, we got out of it and we got into a trade war. So anyways, if you guys haven't heard on the news yet, China and us, America, we're getting into a war because well, okay, not an actual war, but a trade war. So there's been like tariffs put in place. China's retaliating with tariffs. So basically not good for my stock portfolio. But I'm going to go over some main points. My first one is everyone's panicking right now, but you really don't have to panic, especially if you're with a dividend portfolio, because if you're with the dividend portfolio, you'll eventually rebound. And especially when you keep collecting these dividends, your portfolio should shoot back up. So I'm not panicking, even though I'm literally down like $40 for the week. Yeah, like 2.5%. It's kind of a bummer, but I know that my portfolio will eventually get back up, even though I'm down this much. Yeah, but as you guys can see, as soon as the trade war hit, we were at 60 at one point. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 1666 was my high at one point on May 3rd, and then yeah, it just went downhill from there. And especially since Home Depot got hit really hard with these tariffs, because most of the Home Depot goods are imported, especially from China, and everything is built in China. You know how it is with Home Depot. But yeah, that's one of the main issues. And then Apple, it got hit even harder. So basically today, yes, it went down nearly 6%, which is not gonna lie, that kind of sucks. But yeah, they're gonna be paying me a dividend this month, so it's gonna be 77 cents. Nothing crazy, but I think it'll eventually get back up. And another thing I want to go over is, since it's a panic, everyone is selling right now, so all these stocks are just gonna keep getting hit even harder, especially because everyone's panicking. So if you hold on to the long term, I think it's really beneficial, especially if you keep racking in these dividends. And next time I want to go over is, it's a great time to buy right now. I think personally, don't take my opinion, but like, don't go off buying everything just because I'm saying it. I'm no professional at this, obviously, but I think it's a great time to buy Apple. It's extremely undervalued right now, especially since it's at 185, and I know it'll shoot back up to 200 again, because it always does. It's such a great company, and yeah, you're pretty much getting it at a discounted price of $184 right now. If I don't have the capital right now, which is another thing I was gonna go over, I don't have the capital right now, or I would be like dropping more money into my portfolio. But yeah, I just don't have the capital, unfortunately, to keep on putting more money in. And especially when I saw realty income, it was at 66 at one point. Yes, right here, I was just looking at my phone on the Robinhood app, like the mobile one. I was just like, dang, if I had that capital right now, I would be straight buying these stocks. But unfortunately I couldn't, because that would have brought my average cost down, which I don't care about that much, especially since I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm buying some stocks like every single month, so it averages out anyways. But it would have been great to have some bring it down some more. And yeah, it's pretty much a discounted price, because it's already went back up, and I feel like this is gonna be the same for Apple, especially whenever this trade war, all this crap ends, and yeah, no one's panicking and selling all their stocks. And yeah, okay, so my last thing I wanted to talk about is, if you're going with a dividend portfolio, you have a lot of safeties per se, because like I said, you'll keep on getting these dividends back. Like, if everyone's in a panic right now, as like right now with this trade war going on, eventually these prices will go back up. And yeah, they go back up and even out back to the regular state. Like Apple, I know it'll go back to 200. It's literally Apple. It's the company. It's such a great company. And yeah, whenever they get back up, everyone's just gonna be like, dang, I wish I bought earlier before. But yeah, you're gonna get dividends anyways, just to reinvest some more. So you can buy these stocks right now at a low price, and then sell high if you want to. But that's not my method of building my portfolio. I want to just buy stocks at a fair price, and then just keep waiting for those dividends to come in, especially with realty income, which like gets money every single month, and I can reinvest my money every single month, especially since it's a monthly dividend company. So It allows me to reinvest much quicker compared to like say AT&T, which gives out every quarter, every 3 months. So yeah, that's a great thing. But anyways, since I'm done with talking about all my points, I'm just gonna go over where the stock portfolio is standing right now. So like I said, we're under $23 for the day. That's nearly 1.5%. So we're currently at $1,594. For the week, we're down $40, especially since the trade war hit, like somewhere here. Yeah, and then it's just been going downhill, especially since Apple's like been one of the biggest stocks that's been hit, and that's like one of the like biggest holding equity wise in my account, other than realty income, which I have like nearly $300 in. Well, like more than 300 in. So yeah, I'm under $40 right now, almost 2.5%. And then for the month, I am down $34.50, nearly 2%, or more than 2%, a little over 2%. And then for the month, well, for the last 3 months, I am up $13.43. Not sure that's a good thing. But yeah, that's it, nearly 1%. And then for the year, I am down $5.55, and that is 0.35%. Anyways, I'm gonna go into these stocks for now. So LTC Properties, it hasn't been hit due to the trade war, mainly because it's a real estate company, so they're not gonna get hit, especially if there's a trade war going on. It's one of these senior housing things, so it's not gonna get hit due to a trade war. So basically, we're up. Well, the company is at $45.56 per share today, and I've made a total return of $2.92, and I have a total of 4 shares. Alright, next one is gonna be Home Depot. I bought this like 2 weeks ago. I really wanted to get something in the construction and manufacturing industry, and I decided to go with Home Depot because they have a very good like dividend growth. So I knew it was a safe company, but due to the trade war, we are currently down $11.35. That's 5.63%, and it's currently at $190 per share. And I own 1 share, and I bought it at $201.69. So yeah, I think it'll go back up due to its previous history, and I think it'll keep growing once this trade war is over. But next stock is going to be Bank of America. We are currently down $7.12 due to the panic everyone's having right now, and the stock is currently at $28.20 per share, and I have 4 shares at a cost of $29.98. And my next stock is going to be AT&T, one of the great what do you call it? Great holdings in my company. Not my company, my portfolio. We are currently down $1.50, but I have made like, I think it's been like $1. So I'm practically only down 50 cents. But if you think about it, I'm going to get more dividends from this company. So I'm going to be up eventually on this company. So it's a great company to hold, especially since they are so like, the volatility is so low. Alright, my next share is AbbVie. AbbVie has been pretty, it's been tanking recently, mainly because of the trade war, if it's importing goods from China. So yeah, the stock is currently at $76.87 per share, and it has maybe a negative return of $5.58. That's 3.5%. But yeah, all of these will rebound. I'm not too worried about it right now. And then Realty Income, it was hit the hardest. I believe right here, whenever it was $66, I was like almost down $17, and I was kind of worried, I'm not gonna lie, but I knew it was gonna get back up. So yeah, and it's currently working its way back up due to the support, and I have lost a total of $5.45, but I made like about $3 so far from their dividends, so it's looking pretty good from this. Alright, my next company is gonna be Coca-Cola. Nothing much has happened here except for that solid growth. That's what I like to see. So I'm currently up $7.76 on this company, and that's 5.69%. So that's looking really good. I still only have 3 shares of this company. I'm looking to put more into it, but I'm kind of gonna get greedy a little. I know the dollar cost averaging. I should just buy it no matter what price it's at, but I think I want to try to get a little lower before I put more money into this, and especially since I'm low on capital right now. All right, 4 is my next company. I'm surprised they didn't get hit as hard as the other company, especially Apple. Since some of their manufacturing plants, not a lot of them, are in China, but yeah, we're currently up $10.42, and I still only have 8 shares at a cost of 8.78 cents per share. So it's looking pretty good for that company. And then next one is Apple. I already went over this at the beginning of the video. It's been taken pretty hard due to its many manufacturing companies and manufacturing, many of its factories in China. If I could get my words out, yeah, many of its factories in China, and due to the tariff, they're gonna be tanking a little for this like week. I believe it's gonna get back up to 200. But anyways, I'm up $10.17, and that's gonna be a 5.82% total return. And I only have 1 share at the moment, but if I had the capital, I would put in buy another stock of this. But unfortunately, like I said, I don't have the capital at the moment. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it gave you some insight not to panic. Like, since everyone's selling right now, everything is gonna go down. Like, the Dow went down 600 points today, but yeah, I'm not really worried about that. And yeah, I believe with the dividend portfolio, it especially will go back up, especially since you're reaping in those dividends. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't already, check out my link in the description. It'll give you the referral. You get a free stock for signing up, and then I'll get one also. So it's a win-win situation. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. See you later.